I'm increasing the line speed now. Flow balance looks good, keep it steady.
The moisture content on this batch is exactly 6.2%.
Good, right within the acceptable range for the Japanese blend.
In the feed distribution hall, vibratory channels spread the tea blends into uniform streams flowing toward the bagging machines.
Guided by servo-controlled rollers, the filter paper is kept perfectly centered. Workers monitor the tension.
The rotary blades precisely separate the tagged bags, ensuring perfect symmetry. The workers here monitor the cut quality in real time.
Once extracted from the magazine, the erector's cam-driven arms fold the blanks into boxes in a precise, continuous flow. Welcome to the film overwrap and multi-pack station. Once wrapped, the bundles move through the heat tunnel for a tight seal.
Keep them coming, watch the seal. Got it, pushing the last one now.
Place 12 units of Earl Grey on pallet 4. Confirm placement.
Check the manifest for store 42.
Looks correct. The labels are printing now.
Pallet 7A, that's lane 2. Store 4B, confirm the ID now.
that aligned with the bottom row?
Yes, that looks perfect.
Do you have your loyalty card with you today?
Yes, it's under my phone number.
Okay, and the tea is scanning correctly at the sale price.
Thank you. These look great. Have a nice day.
Look at how neatly these are packaged.
Yeah, they really are consistent.
The temperature is holding steady at 85 degrees Celsius.
And the flow rate is consistent. The cycle is on schedule. Scene 66. CIP cycle prevention bagging machines.
Look at the dust accumulation rate here.
That aligns with the projection on the tablet. System's operating at peak efficiency.
Conductivity is stable at 15 microsiemens.
Hardness levels look good too. We're clear for processing.
The scheduled downtime for the sensor replacement is next Tuesday.
Yes, but the MTTR estimate is higher than expected. We should adjust the buffer stock.
As you can see on the main display, the bagging line operates at peak efficiency here. Now, adjust the flow rate using dial C on your panels.
From blending to final carton, our state-of-the-art facility ensures peak freshness through synchronized, high-speed production.
The color saturation here looks excellent, especially the blues.
And the embossing aligns perfectly with the spot UV. Let's send this to the client.
The registration on the cyan block looks slightly off here.
Let me check the plate alignment. It seems within tolerance.
Confirming the foil delivery for the Malaysian route. Yes, the updated schedule looks good.
All right, I'll update the digital board accordingly.
This energy consumption trend is still too high.
I agree. If we look at the data from the tablet, optimizing the boiler schedule could reduce it by 15%. The cleaning logs match the digital records. Can you confirm the calibration schedule for the sealing mechanism?
Yes, auditor. We perform that weekly. It's documented right here.
All right, everyone, settle in. We are starting the roll call now. Department 4, Sanjay?
Present!
Morning reset complete on the scanners.
Conveyor is green. We are clear to receive the first load.
Control, line 88 is green. Initiating full speed sequence.
holiday demand curve peaks sharply here.
Yeah.
We need to utilize the new line downstairs to meet that volume. Let's adjust the capacity chart for the next quarter.
If you look at this graph, the pyramid bags are outselling the square ones by 20%.
That aligns with the positive feedback we're seeing on the dashboards.
We reduced changeover time by 15% last quarter.
Yeah.
That really helped stabilize the OEE on line 3.
What about the energy usage here?